Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you how you can have this for your Tesla. Tesla Puddle Lights and Tesla bright LED lights. To be honest with you, Tesla's stock lights that come with the car are quite crappy and dim, and I don't like it. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy and quick you can change your own lights.
So all you need is the Puddle Lights, which I'll put a link to. And for me, I'm just going to use a screwdriver. I'll probably use a bigger one to pry the lights out. Very easy. It's like less than a 2-minute job per light. I got 4 of them. Okay, this is the view from under the passenger side front. Okay, this is the existing puddle light. Okay, I'm just going to carefully take my screwdriver and pry this guy out like that. He should just pop right out. Okay, they're designed to come out. Okay, and then yeah, I gotta pull this plug off, but I probably need my hands. So okay, so this is even easier than I thought. There's a little tab. Here's the side view. There's a little tab right there. You can pull that down. Did you see that? Right there. Pull that down, and then literally just pull the light off of there. Okay, here's the original light. Came out of there. All right, here's the new one. It has a little lead on it. Okay, and they also stamped, one is stamped R, 2 are stamped R, and 2 are stamped L. So I'm going to assume that this is for the right-hand side of the car, passenger side. And this is going to go right back in there the same way. Boom. See the little Tesla? Now that's going to look cool. Probably won't be super bright, but when I open the door, I kind of want to see it. Let's see, which way is that going to be facing? I want to see it like that. Stuff the wire back up in there. This only go in one way. And pop her back in. I don't think it goes in one way. Yeah, there we go. Nice snug fit. So I'm going to want to repeat this process for the other 3 doors. And then when it gets dark out tonight, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I already can tell you it's going to look awesome. Okay, fellas, now I want to change these lights for the Footwells in the Tesla. Even in the Model Y Juniper like I have, not very bright. So I want to change them out. I got some new lights here that I bought from Tesery.com. I want to put them in. I got a video of what it used to look like. Very dim. I think all I need is a screwdriver and just kind of pop them out. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. Okay, this is under the dash passenger side. Okay, and it's kind of up in there, kind of weird. It wasn't like that on the Model 3 Performance. So it might be a little bit hard pressed to get my arm in there and hold the phone and everything. So I'm gonna try to prop this up somewhere so you can see me pry it out of there. It might be why I didn't record it the first time. I just can't get in here with everything. So I'm just gonna try to pry this light out. Pretty sure that's how it comes out. If I can actually get a tool in there, it should just pop right out of there. Yep. All right, did I catch it? Okay, I got it. Okay. Oh, this one has a lead on it, thank God. All right, so there's a little, maybe we'll get my light. Ironic, I have a light, but I can't see it. All right, I'm gonna try to take this as wide as possible. Shoot, I don't know if I'm gonna catch it. It's a really awkward spot to be able to record. Yeah. Well, here's the wire. Hopefully you can see it. Can't see it, right? Here's the wire. Here's the light. This should probably be about 10 times brighter, man. It's insane. When I had my Model 3 Performance, I added these, and it was awesome. If it'll fit. Oh, it's not looking so good. Oh no. Are you serious? This doesn't fit in there? Oh no. Okay, it goes in. It's just me. That is so much brighter. Holy crap. So much brighter. Up in there. Yeah, that's going to be way better. Now if I can get that back up in there, where you can still see it. That's how it goes in there. Isn't that freaky? Kind of cheap. I don't think it's all the way in there. Yep. That's it. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. That's so much brighter. I'll take a video tonight. Okay, here's the driver's side footwell. Kind of the same lame little niche that it's in. Well, basically, you got to get your screwdriver behind it and pop it out. Yeah. Again, I don't know where I can put the camera. Okay, I come to the conclusion that, yeah, I can't fit the camera down here. So, you're gonna have to watch me from there. And don't tell me I took the screwdriver out. Are you kidding? Ah, there you are. Not because it's screwed in. Just because I need to pop it out. So, let's see if this one pops out. The other one's kind of tricky. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world. I'm not on my butt, I'm not on my back. Kind of in the middle. Yep, there we go. Once you get under it, boom. There's that one. A new one. Way brighter. It's weird, it's such a good fit. It's hard to get it in. Wow, that is so much brighter. Yep. It's easy to change once you get to it. It's just hard to get to. Ouch. Ooh, not comfortable. Ugh. Wow, it's gonna be so much brighter. Check it out. I can actually see. Okay, fellas. Here's the reveal. It's dark out now. Let's turn the camera around. Okay. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look cool. Don't need the light, hon. And the inside, way brighter with those LED lights. Way brighter. I gotta clean the carpet. And then on the other side, like I said, it's the Model Y Juniper. Wish they had the light the handles up. I know they have something for light handles. Look at that. That's neat. Puddle Lights. Well worth it. That is really cool. That's had a neat touch, huh? And it's so easy to do.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yep. That's cool.
Beautiful.